Our motherboard installation is now nearly complete. We've mounted the motherboard to the system case using all available mounting points and standoffs wherever we can. So the motherboard is now very secure and there's no points at which it bends or flexes. We've connected the power to the motherboard. We've connected our ATX connector to the 20-pin point on the motherboard, and here the ATX12V connector to the 4-pin point on the motherboard. We've added an additional system fan to the rear of the system case, which connects here to the motherboard. We've connected the USB ports at the front of the system case to this header on the motherboard here. And we've done the same with the sound ports at the front of the system case. They connect to a header just down here next to the I/O ports. We've connected, using a guide in the motherboard manual, all of the cables from the front case, providing connections for the on-off switch, the reset switch and the LEDs, and also the front speaker. Earlier you saw we've already installed the CPU. Now we just need to attach the heatsink and the fan, and we've installed the memory cards as well. This looks a little bit messy at the moment, but we will, when the job's complete, tie these cables back, secure them to the system case so they don't get in the way of anything.